Hello, this is Dr. Stanley Lang, and welcome to this broadcast. Today, I'd like to tell a story about an encounter that I had with a patient, and also a reflection that I had on my own um, prayer time today. And first, the reflection part. I was thinking about the idea that um, where Jesus had healed this person who was under the influence of a lot of evil. We'll just put it like that. And once this person was healed, he wanted to follow Jesus and just be part of his band of disciples. And interestingly, Jesus said, "No, I want you to go back to your home and tell them what God has done for you." And the story says that the man went back and told the people what Jesus had done for him. And so what struck me was the idea of how this man had an individual story to tell that was very unique to him because of his issues that Jesus personally healed. Now, I think that each one of us have an individual story that is just waiting to be told, or maybe many stories that are just ready to be told if we come into a healing encounter with Jesus. So the encounter that I had with this one person today is somebody that has a lot of influence. He touches a lot of people. He's got a couple of issues that are pretty visible to those people that so far he has not been able to experience mastery over. And we had a discussion about how much more powerful his ability to tell the story of what the love of God could do for other people if he himself had experienced healing in this one area. And we both agreed that would magnify his story and touch a lot of people, because God made us so that we are not just disembodied spirits. He gave us a body on purpose, and he wants us to have health of body to the extent that it's possible given the limitations of our body, so that our body can radiate the health of mind and health of spirit that hopefully is also going on at the same time. And if we have lousy physical health by choices that we've made, it blunts the story that we get to tell about the love of God. And so my encouragement to you today is to consider opening yourself up to the way that Jesus would want to heal you personally, so that not only you have the experience of being healed in these areas and experiencing much better health, but also so that you have a story to tell, so that your story, because you go back to your town, to your people, and you can tell people, this is what Jesus did for me. Now, why is that important? Well, because you're surrounded by people that are in despair, and they do not have hope that they can get better or get out of the situation they're in. And if you experience healing and then you tell that story, if you experience recovery over food addiction, for instance, and you tell that story and you live that story, you touch the lives of a lot of people and open their hearts to the experience of God's love for them. So I want to encourage you to be the good news, to become the good story that leads people to the love of God. I wish you well. God bless, and have a great day.